In this video, I want to show you the secret of you getting any yellow out of your refrigerator.
It's not bicarbonate, it's not hydrogen peroxide.
It's something that will make your fridge look brand new. And let me tell you. Are you going to spend a penny? Let me tell you something. I've seen a lot of videos of people teaching you to take off yellow with
Hydrogen peroxide or with that baking soda nozzle. Let me tell you, I've already done some experiments and failed.
The tip I want to give you is going to look like an original refrigerator, folks. And I'm going to tell you, you're not going to find this video anywhere on YouTube. Why, John, are you saying this? I was the only one who had access to this type of product that will help you today remove yellow from your refrigerator, your washing machine, and also your microwave, okay? Hey, you have to follow all the step-by-step I'm going to show you. Otherwise, you won't be able to put it into practice. The solution I'm going to give you here is definitive. No more yellow, no more yellow. You know that it often devalues your refrigerator? Oh, you see here. Oh, look at this yellow. What an ugly thing, people. It devalues. Oh, and there's no use. It doesn't disappear from here. You can put hydrogen peroxide, good baking soda, all kinds of products you put here. It can bleach a little, but the yellow will always be there. Why, John? Because it is plastic. There is no way to throw the yellow one from the plastic. I'm going to teach you a powerful tip. Oh, come here so you can see. If I were to see this refrigerator here, look here. Oh, show it here. Do you see how this refrigerator is really white inside? Look inside this refrigerator. Look how its plastic is white. Here it's also white, see? She's in good condition inside, but here, oh, this plastic here is not good. Why are so many refrigerators already yellow, people? Because you turn it off too long without using it. You put product on these plastics here. This here helps to yellow a lot. Be careful with the type of product you are going to clean your refrigerator, because this will then turn it yellow much faster. Why am I saying this? Because maybe your refrigerator is not yellow and will turn yellow from the product you are passing in your refrigerator. Oh, this one here is good. Apparently inside, this one here. Oh, this one here is already yellow. You see, this hint I'm going to give you, you can take all this yellow and all this yellow here. What do I want to do today, folks? We're just going to work on these yellow stripes here and this yellow stripes and this part that's also yellow. Okay, so stay in this video and I will introduce you to the darling that will make you happy. And leave your like and leave your comment. That will help you a lot, guys. What are we going to use now to perform this miracle that you must be curious about? We're going to use a wide tape or a narrow tape or whatever tape you have in your house, okay? And we are going to use this product here, guys. What is this product for? You have to understand before you use it, and remember, if I find this product in Mercado Libre, I will leave the link below for you to buy this paint, which is a special paint for plastic, okay? It's a special paint for plastic. John, what is the function of this ink? This personal paint, it will be available in glossy and also in matte. So you have to check if your refrigerator, where you want to paint here, has turned yellow. Is it glossy or matte? This one I have here, guys, it's a matte paint, okay? So we will use this example. Look here. Oh, you see this color here? That's here. Oh, it's the color of the paint. So normally this brand of paint will be here. Oh, this color here, it will be right here. Oh, it's the white one, okay? And the thing is, what is the function of this ink here? She's for painting plastic. Hey, John, but there's paint for painting plastic. There's this paint. It's a special paint. To paint plastic, you don't need to dig deep into the plastic. You don't need to do anything. You can apply directly to the plastic. And you're sure it will solve your problem, then it will never come back yellow, and it doesn't crack the personal paint. It doesn't peel. It doesn't come out clean. It's an ink that looks original. If you paint a plastic bottle, it will look like the bottle is white. So a special paint just for that, okay? So what are we going to do? We're going to do the paperwork here and we're going to do the work here, okay? The first thing you're going to have to do is paper up the place where you're going to paint, okay? If you're going to paint the inside, guys, John, I want to paint the inside here. You're going to take out all the shelves, okay? You'll take off all the shelves if your fridge has rubber, guys, if it's from COM, if it's from Brastemp, the rubber comes off and that's it. The rubber is snapped in so you can release the rubber, okay? So if you go in here, guys, you're going to leave the Jaguars, bars, this drawer. You're going to have to leave it naked inside so you don't dirty the acrylicus. Do you understand why, guys? Here's the thing. Pay attention so you can see. Look here. Oh, this refrigerator is yellow here. You can see. Oh, it's yellow here. Oh, it's yellow here. Okay, this one here is not so yellow, but inside. Oh, inside. But come here for you to see. This one here. Come here. Oh, this one here. Oh. Look at this one, guys. You see? Maybe you want to paint. Oh, it's all yellow here. Oh, John, I want to paint it inside. I want to make it new, guys. You can paint it calmly. You'll have to take out only the acrylic, take everything out here. Oh, leave only the plastic paper. Where do you have to paper for you to do the painting? This painting that I'm teaching you can be internal and external, regardless of whether you are going to do it outside or inside. The only thing you have to be careful about. You can't have oil, you can't have water, and you can't have anything for paint not to paint, because then it won't come out anymore, okay? So you have to understand that, okay? So if you want to paint inside or outside, it doesn't matter. It only protects the place where you want to paint. Beauty, guys, it's the following if your refrigerator. John, I don't just want to get the yellow out, but I need to get the rust out of my refrigerator. I'm going to leave the video that I'm just recovering a refrigerator that's all rusty, where I tell you what I did when I finished this one. When you finish this from here, you go there and watch this from where I'm talking about rust. Okay? It's closed. So guys, here's the thing. No more milongas. We're going to paint shakes well. The spray shakes well. Guys, every time you get 111 new spray, oh, if you don't spray it from somewhere where, no, it has nothing to do with it. It might be a wall on the floor. Oh, until it starts coming out. Paint. Now we go there. Protect the place where you want to paint, okay? Plastic paint, people, can't find any place only here at Effortar Refrigeration. Protects the floor with cardboard and sprays it. One split, let's go up here now. Oh, real quick, okay, guys? If I came from this side here, film it right so that people don't miss any details. Oh, a very thin hand. And look at the coverage of this paint, guys. Look at the coverage of this paint. This paint is really good, man. Run your hand here to take it off. Clean the surface. It won't get dirty either, okay? I forgot to tell you guys, running water, hydrogen peroxide, forget it. Plastic paint is the same. This one here is no different, okay? Give me a nice little hand, folks. Here's the thing. In a little while, we'll wait to dry there for about 10 minutes. And in a little while, I'll give you the second hand. Okay? So follow everything carefully. Do it the way I'm teaching you here to do in your refrigerator, washing machine, microwave. Okay? This tip is top. Soon we will give the second hand. I use a little cardboard. Oh, see this little cardboard here? A little piece of cardboard already makes a total difference. Oh, guys, forget it. That's the best thing you got, all right. Wait 10 minutes. I'll be right back here. I'll give you the second hand, okay? John, why don't you paint the inside? Guys, I'm not going to paint inside because the fridge is on, okay? We'll finish it in a little while. Now the personal second hand, remembering there's this paint here. It doesn't have that stinky smell. You know that latex paint that smells like tinder? I smell that strong paint that stinks for days to come out. And also, she doesn't have that spray smell either, which is strong. You know what you go through and have to leave the refrigerator days with the door open, right? This paint here, guys, it smells sweet. It smells very nice. It doesn't smell different. And then you're going to apply it inside this refrigerator. It won't leave that stench. Of course, you're going to have to wait for the drying time. Everything is fine. You're going to have to leave it a little open, okay? It is. And another thing, it has to dry quickly, guys. This paint has a quick drying beauty, so let's give it a second hand here. Oh. After 10 minutes, I'll give the second hand very lightly. You won't dirty your finger either, no. Oh, let's paint here now. Oh. Here, guys. I'll never get a second-hand yellow fridge again, guys. Beef fillet, guys, let's wait another 10 minutes to dry it. And 6 will take off the tape along with me here so you can see how the finish was. Okay, just for you to see the power of this paint. Man, oh, I'm not going to go deep, okay? I'm not going to go deep. I'm going to paint right on the plastic. Oh. I'll let it dry here. I'll give you another nipple in a little while, okay, guys? Now we're going to do the most delicious part that's satisfying, right? Take off this tape here to see how our finish turned out. Right here. Our acrylic was yellow. Delicious, too good, man. Look here, guys. Did you change the face of the refrigerator or not? That's no closer to them coming. Oh, beautiful thing. No more yellow in your fridge. Then making your refrigerator ugly leaving your refrigerator looking like an old refrigerator, use this product there. I'll leave the link in the description below. Let's take the tape off the child. Oh, take it off here. Oh, it's up to the painter here. Oh, it's a bit crazy there. Oh, I'm going to give it a little touch here. Oh, just a device that turned out beautiful. I'll make a film, right? FIFA completely. Now let's take it out here. The drying of it, folks, is very fast. Of course, you have to wait for the healing time, right? Look here, guys, man, I'm amazed at the finish of the deal. Give him one, give him a close-up. Give a nice close-up here so people can see how beautiful it turned out, man, here. Oh, let's give it a second hand, old man. Guys, for you, I'm doing this experience here for you because you should talk like this. Wow, Dilma. She's just going to paint. It will only cover if it has a white low surface. Don't expect any kind of plastic. Got a random plastic here. Oh. Random just for you. Just so you can see that there is no such thing. She's paying for special plastic, folks. 35. João, it's that same piece. Yeah, man, look here. Oh, you see? Oh, it doesn't even look like right, guys, waiting for it to dry. Then I'm going to show you here how the business is a ball show. So, guys, oh, I let that piece dry so we can see it after it dries. Oh, see? Oh, I'm charting the nail. You see, oh, the ink is good. Of course, you're not going to risk an iron here, are you? Then you see, oh, it doesn't come out, okay? There's no business here. It's absolutely top-notch, folks. Just a quick reminder, I had to let it dry for 24 hours before moving ahead. So, when you paint the fridge, take a moment. What a beautiful piece. I offer a comprehensive course in refrigeration. And also buying and selling refrigerators. That's what I do. Oh, I have a certain arsenal of refrigerators. I have almost 1,000 BRL. I earn almost 10,000 BRL from home. Buying defective refrigerators, repairing them and reselling them. Hey guys, this course is 50% off. It's a top course. If you want to know more people, click on my WhatsApp link that will be in the fixed comment. And also in the description, okay? Click on this first link, fall in, and come talk to me, and follow me there on Instagram, and say Refrigeration Beauty there on Instagram. I post several things. Cool.